This is the fourth video on the topic conditional operators. If you are interested in watching the previous videos on this topic, the links are given in the description box. We already saw how to use equal to and not equal to. Now we are going to check if the value of one variable is greater than the value of another variable. I am very sure that you have already know about greater than condition from your math books. So let us go to Python directly and see how to use it. So I have 4 books. So books equal to 4. And I have 2 toys. So I write toys equal to 2. Now we are going to check if the number of toys are greater than the number of books. So let's write a condition within the print statement. So we write print books greater than toys. So the value on the left should be greater than the value on the right. So books is 4 and toys is 2. So now let's save the file and run the code. Since we have more books than toys, we get the output as true. Now let's reduce the number of books to 1. So I remove 4 here and I put 1. Now let us save the file and run the code. So now books is lesser than toys and the output is false. So now let us see one more very interesting example. Let us say that there is an election happening today, and in India you have to be at least 18 years old to vote. So let us say the people conducting the election are writing a condition to check who they can allow to vote. So they will probably write a condition like print age is greater than 18. So whoever comes, if their age is greater than 18, and this should give the output as true, then the person is allowed to vote. Now let us write the code for it. Now let us create a variable to get the age of the person who's coming to vote. So we'll write person underscore age equal to, let's say, 25. Okay. Now we already have the condition person age is greater than 18. Now let's write a print statement. So print, open the bracket and close the bracket. Now save the file and run the code. So 25 is greater than 18, so the output is true and the person is allowed to vote. Now let me change the person's age to 90. Now save the file and run the code. As expected, the output is again true because 19 is greater than 18. But now if I change the person's age to 18, and now when I save the file and run the code, the output is false because the value on the left is equal to the value on the right. It is not greater. So if the age is equal to 18, the output is false. So in this condition, we will not be able to allow people of age 18 to vote because the output comes as false. And it will allow only people of age 19 and above that, 19, 20, 21 and so on, to vote. But the government says that we have to allow all people who are of age 18 also to vote. So how do we change our condition? We have something called greater than equal to. So special characters are the greater than symbol, and after that you put the equal to symbol without any space in between. When we add this, it will take all the values which are equal to 80 and greater than 80. So now that if we add this condition to our code and test it, the output will be true. So let's add an equal to here and now save the file and run the code. So the output is true. So instead of putting the number 18 in the condition directly, we can also create another variable called voting age. So we'll say voting underscore age equal to 80, and we can put that variable in our condition. So we remove 18 from here and we put voting age because that variable has the value 18. Now save the file and run the code. So now you have compared one variable against another variable instead of comparing with a number directly. So I hope you understood the condition greater than and greater than equal to. If you have any questions on this topic, please leave a comment and codepannu.com team will try to reply to your question. See you in the next video.